Hello, people. Again with you, your professor Brenda Alvarez. So let's start with our marketing plan objectives. So the best way to know if you are creating the best objective, the best marketing objective for the company of your product is using the word SMART. That is right here. So SMART, first be specific. State exactly what you want to accomplish, who you want to target, what you want to target, where you want to target, why do you want to target this person. Then make it very measurable. How will you demonstrate and evaluate the extent to which the goal has been met? It has to be an achievable goal. I know we all want to be millionaires tomorrow. However, if you set this as a marketing objective goal, it can create frustration not only on your customer of the project, but on their employees, on their stakeholders whatsoever. So let's make it achievable in a short term of a year. Let's make it relevant. How does the goal tie into your key responsibilities? How is it aligned to your objectives? Let's make it relevant with the values of the company, with the mission, this is why we create first the mission and the vision. So the objectives are on the same page as the mission and the vision of the company. And the time bound. Set one or more target dates. This is going to work more when we are building our action plan, but however, you will have to put in mind that this kind of objectives that we're going to state in our project is going to be due before a year or within a year. Okay? So, what are marketing objectives? We have different kinds of marketing objectives, like the directional objectives, like the performance objectives, like the internal objectives, like the external objectives. So, first, for each one of this kind of objectives, we will have a strategy that we will build. So, and we will have different kind of measurements. I post this because this is going to be helpful for you. You can come over later this video and just check it out and put pause and create your when you're creating your marketing plan strategy. And this do you want does so to select the objectives, let's more focus, as I said in the first class, let's focus on the need of our client. Do they need growth? Do they need profitability? Do they need is their personal working the right way? What is going on inside the company that they need a marketing plan? So I want to close this session saying that good marketing makes the company look smart, but great marketing makes the client feel smart. Don't forget your individual assignment that is going to be based on this video. I'll be posting it as soon as possible and is due for Sunday midnight. Bye. If you have any questions, you can email me, you can send me a WhatsApp, you can text me, call me, whatever. As I am open to help you guys with the project, with your assignment, to help you, like guide you. I'm not going to make it for you. Thank you.